Hello everyone. I was trying to learn this quick sort method. अभी ये पढ़ रहा था तो आधा पार्ट समझ आ गया बट मैंने वीडियो पोस्ट करनी थी। मेरे को जितना समझ आया मैं उतना पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ। पूरी वीडियो नहीं पोस्ट करूँगा, पूरी वीडियो पोस्ट करूँगा कल जब मेरे को ये पूरा समझ आ जाएगा। बट स्टिल वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई टू सी लाइक ओके हाउ थिंग्स वर्क आउट एंड देन we'll see, right? We will make a video from start again tomorrow. And how I understood it, if you have to understand quick sort, there are few things that you need first, right? The first thing is this array that we have to sort, and these are the values of in that array, and this is the index. ठीक है, जो भी circle में है, whatever is in the circle is the index, and whatever is in this dotted red box, it's the values. This is what we have to sort, and we have to consider three things. One is the pivot, and then is one is explorer, then one is boundary. Pivot क्या होता है? You have to pick an index, whatever value there is. It could be any place. इस array में से, in this whole array, it could be anywhere. It could be at the end, it could be at the randomly center, it could be at the start. There are two rules to the game. First, let's understand what the explorer is. Explorer is the one thing that will go through the values one by one. It will go through here, 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 and till the end, right? And then we have boundary. Boundary, you can say, is simple thing कि okay, it will maintain where the smaller section ends. The important part is where the smaller section ends, right? The end part. Now there are a few conditions that will be applied here, right? We can say it's like if else condition, smaller or bigger. We have to check as the explorer we move from one index to two index to three index. The explorer will keep moving to the next value, but we have to check what conditions meet, right? Is the value at zero index, let's just say we are starting from there, right? Is it bigger than the value at the pivot or smaller than the value at the pivot, right? If it's bigger, yes, we don't have to do anything, and if it's smaller, we have to do two things. The first thing is it will be swapped, right? So what we have to do, we have to swap it to the smaller section, and we will increase the boundary keeper I to next index, right? Let's just say we will try to do it. I have pointed my pivot value at the end of the array at 6, right? Last value here. And now what we will do, we'll check the condition. What condition it meets? The value at the 0th index, is it bigger than the 8 or smaller than the 8? Now we will say okay, it's smaller than the 6 obviously. Now what we are going to do is let's just first pick me that, and we have moved our explorer to next value, and we will point it out to the here. These two are pointing to the same value, okay? And now we have a small section. The first, like जब तक तुमने स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया तब तक तुम्हारे पास some small section था ही नहीं. अब जब तुमने first value से ट्रेड कर दिया, now you have the first value and a smaller section, right? Now you'll check that again, right? Is it smaller or the bigger than the value, right? It's bigger, we will do nothing. The explorer will go to the next value. And now you check it, is it smaller than the 6? Yes, it is smaller than the value at 6. Now we will swap it. How we do that? We will take out here and we'll bring the 8 here, and we will take 2 here, right? Again, now this time this is true, and we will move this I to the next, right? And now if you see about it, the explorer will go to the next value. Why can't? Okay, right. Now see about this, is 1 is smaller or bigger than the 6? It's smaller, obviously our conditions meet. What we will do, we will swap the value, and then we will move us this to the next, right? And again we will take this, is 9 is greater than or smaller than 6? It's greater than, we will do nothing. The j will move to the next value. Again, it's bigger than or smaller than the 6, then again it's smaller than, we will move it. See, what you have to keep, the boundary is what tells you where you have to push, like you have to push before this. So we will move 9 here, and the 8 is there, and the 4 will come here, right? Again the j will the explorer will move to the next value. It solves 3. Okay, it's smaller. We haven't moved this from the last round. Wait, इसको आगे लेके आना था, ठीक है? And now 3, it's 3's time, it's smaller or bigger than it, it's smaller than it. Then again, and this is where it ends. I have understood it till here, तो मैं इसको यहीं पे फिनिश कर दूंगा. जब मेरे को पूरा समझ आ जाएगा, then I'll explain it in brief, full video. Thank you, bye, good night. It's 2:17 at night. Let me show you. Can you see it? Yeah, somewhere 2:17. I have to sleep. Bye, good night.